say. Thank you. Matagal-tagal na rin po hindi nakakapunta sa Frisco. I'm so happy to be back here. I'd like to see our scene song again. I don't want you to go, so I don't like it. Exactly how it all began. And just walked away. I'm holding on when all but the passion's gone. And from the start, maybe I was trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking my heart. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. And heroes die when they are lost inside. But they don't know what's left behind, and fight for something there. So it goes that we have broken hard to grow. And from the start, maybe we were trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking our hearts. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. It's just too much, taking on the whole world all by myself. There's not enough unless I start trusting somebody else, and love again. From the start, maybe we were trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking our hearts. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. Maybe we were trying too hard. It's crazy 'cause it's breaking our hearts. Things can fall apart, but I know that I don't want you to go. Thank you! Grabe. Salamat.
Kailan po nag-ahusay-husay pa?
Thank you, Rox. Grabe.
Grabe.
What can I say? I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so happy that you guys enjoyed the film, of course. Pero syempre, hindi makukumpleto to kung di kasama yung ka-partner ko, di ba?
Pero bago tawagin ang ka-partner yan, tawagin natin isang pag-leading lady sa buhay mo. Ang direktor po ng pelikula, Direk Rory.
Yes!
Ayan po, Rory. Direk, ayan. Ayan si Direk Rory, ang direktor ng magandang pelikula si Direk
Thank you for
Rory.
coming. Thank you for coming. In behalf of Star Cinema and ABS-CBN International, thank you so much for coming. And I'd like to greet some friends who are here. I think Tita B, and Tita S, and Glenda, and Suzette, and Ate May. Thank you for coming. Marami po pong dadalhin ng Star Cinema sa inyo in 09, and we hope you'll always support us.
Di ba nagustuhan niyo ang pelikula ni Direk? Kaya sabihin niyo sa kamag-anak niyo na nauna kayo sa January, panoorin na January 15 po ang palabas sa buong Pilipinas.
Yun nga eh, alam mo, Direct Rocks, di ba? First time ko na nag-premiere ang Star Cinema movie sa Amerika. Kasi ganun po kayo mamahal ng Star Cinema, mga kapamilya.
Nauna po kayo.
Yes, nauna pa dito sa California, grabe. And ngayon lang po namin napanood, sabay-sabay po tayo nakapanood ng pelikula. Kanina, sa taas po kami nila Angel and Direk, we saw the film the first time, for the first time.
First time yung panood, di ba?
Yes, opo.
Naiyak silang dalawa. In fairness, pinaghirapan nila to from Bukidnon, tapos sa Australia. Ngayon, pinapalabas na. So first time nila mapanood, kasabay kayo.
That's right.
Di ba?
Thank you,
Pasaya ng
Direk.
mga Pilipino